What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing Maya's hair. I'm doing a very simple beginner-friendly style. Most of my styles are beginner-friendly. By the way, sorry about the band-aid on my finger. I forgot to take it off. I did eventually take it off, but anyway, I'm going to start out by using this Aunt Jackie's Not Having It Conditioning Detangler. This is probably my favorite cream detangler, I have to say. I use this one more than any of the other ones. Her hair has also been washed and conditioned. I will put what I washed, what shampoo and conditioner I use down in the description box. But anyway, I'm going to start the style out by parting like a triangle in the very front part of her hair. And y'all, this is one of those styles I'm just kind of winging it. I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but it's your basic ponytail style. The Blue Magic Original Super Sure Grow. I'm going to be oiling her scalp with this. Her hair was already moisturized, so I'm using the hair grease as a sealant to seal in all that moisture to keep her hair moisturized as long as possible. And I just part it straight down, and I'm going to do a ponytail on each side. I'm also going to be trying out this new Edge Tamer that was sent to me called Touchdown Edge Tamer, and I must say I really do like it. I'll have the details on this in the description box as well, where you can pick it up and all of that. I decided to use this coconut one, and I really like it. It smells good. The texture is that of a typical edge control. I did not expect it to have this much hold. Like, do y'all see her hair? Y'all know I'm more of a gel girl or a jam girl, but yeah, I might have to switch because like her edges are laid, and I didn't even put that much on her hair. I am also gonna try this out on Journey's hair, because I know Maya's hair is kind of a finer texture. It's not hard to lay down her edges, so I'm also gonna be trying this out on Journey to see how it does on her hair. So anyway, yeah, I like this Edge Tamer. Check the description box for all the deets. Same exact thing on the other side, and then for the back I just parted that front part. I parted it all the way to the back to make this ponytail, and I did also put some beads on the hair just to make it, you know, a little bit fancy, a little less boring. If you need help putting on beads, I will also link a video on how to install beads. By the way, I'm also using the Edge Tamer on all the ponytails to kind of reduce flyaways and to kind of preserve the style as long as possible. For this back portion, I'm just going to part downward kind of at an angle. And I'm going to do the same thing I did with the other ponytails. This is a very simple style. Yeah, I think she ended up with 7 ponytails total. So yeah, this is very beginner friendly. So a few tips when using an Edge Tamer. I find that it's better to use it on damp hair as opposed to wet hair, if not dry hair. I hope that makes sense. So if the hair is dripping wet, when I try to use an edge tamer on wet hair, it kind of melts into the hair. It doesn't do what it's supposed to do. So yeah, that's just a little tip. And also, once you apply the edge tamer, brush it into the hair, and that's how you're going to get that real slick, tamed style. For the top portion of her hair, I'm just going to do the same thing, just kind of part at an angle, and I'm going to put 2 ponytails up here. The completed style. I didn't have to do much with her edges because I had already applied that edge control. So yeah, this is it. Super cute, very simple weekday style. Anybody can do this style, dads, uncles, whoever. You got this. So yeah, I thought this was super cute. Thank you. Oh, by the way, this is 2 days later, y'all. Her hair was still intact. All I did was wrapped her hair with a silk scarf, covered it with a satin lined bonnet, and that is it. It preserved the style. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace.